Don't think that God has no feeling, thinking, feeling. No, everything is there. Unless he has got sympathetic feeling in him, where we have got it? Because everything is coming from God. Janmadasya jata, athata brahma jigyasa. What is Brahma? Brahma means the original source of everything. That is Brihata, Bringanatya. So if this feeling is not there in God, then how can be God? This feeling. It's like if one innocent little child comes and offers some respect to us, immediately we become feelingly merciful. Oh, here is a nice child. So that Krsna, Nrsimhadev, he also became paripluta, feelingly merciful, not ordinary merciful, feeling. How innocent this child is. So, feelingly, Uttyapa, immediately got him up. My dear child, get up. And immediately put his hand on the head. Uttyapa tassisni adadha karambujam. Karam, lotus hand, lotus palm. So these feelings are there. And he wanted, because this boy was built under such a big murti, came from the thumb, the columns, and the father, gigantic father is there. Naturally, he is little disturbed in mind. So therefore, vitrasya dhyam krita abhayam. My dear child, don't be afraid. Everything is all right. I am present, and there is no fear. Be pacified. I will give you protection. So this is the exchange. So there is no need of becoming very learned man, Vedantist, and simply these things are required. You become innocent, accept the Supreme Personality of Godhead, and fall down at His lotus feet. Everything is gone. This is what? Simplicity. Simplicity. Believe in Krishna. As Krishna says, Matta paratanam nanya kinchijasti. Believe it. There is no more superior authority than Krishna. And he says, Manmana bhava madbhakta madhyaji mang namaskuru. This is the instruction. This is the substance of all instruction. Believe Krishna, the Supreme Personality. Here is Krishna. Believe that here is Krishna. Innocent child will believe. But our brain is so dull. We will inquire whether the deity is made of stone or brass or wood. Because we are not innocent. We are thinking that this deity is something made of brass. Even if it is brass, if brass is not God, brass is also God. Because Krishna says, Bhumi rapana lovayu thangamano buddhi aparayam itas binnami prakriti aspada. Everything is Krishna. Without Krishna there is no existence. So why Krishna cannot appear as he likes? He can appear in brass, he can appear in stone, he can appear in wood, he can appear in jewel, he can appear in painting. Anyway, he can. That is all powerful. But we have to take it that here is Krishna. Don't take it that Krishna is separate from this deity and here we have got a brass form deity. No. Advaita yachyate anadi ananta rupam. Advaita. Here is multi-expansion, but they are all one. Similarly, he is represented in his name. Avinnatyad namanamina. When you are chanting the holy name of Krishna, don't think this is sound vibration and Krishna is different. No. Avinnatyad nama chintamani Krishna. As Krishna is Chintamani, similarly his holy name is also Chintamani. Nama Chintamani Krishna. Chaitanya Rasa Vigraha. Chaitanya, full consciousness. Nama Chintamani Krishna. If you associate with name, that you must know that Krishna is fully conscious of your service. You are addressing, Hey Krishna, Hey Radharani, kindly engage me in your service. Hare Krishna mantra means Hare Krishna, Hey Krishna, Hey Radharani, Hey energy, kindly engage me in your service. Ayi nanda tanuja patitang kinkarang maha bishami bhavamudo. This is Chaitanya Mahaprabhu's teaching. Oh my Lord, Nanda Tanuja. Krishna becomes very glad when you associate his name, his activities with some devotee. He's not impersonal. Krishna has no name, but when he deals with his devotee, there is a name. Just like Krishna dealing with Nanda Maharaj. That Nanda Maharaj's wooden slipper, Jasudamai asked the child, Krishna, you have seen the picture, can you bring the slipper of your father? Yes. Immediately took down the head. You see, this is Krishna. Nanda Maharaj became very pleased. Oh, your son is very nice, he can bear such a load. So this is dealing. Therefore Chaitanya Mahaprabhu is addressing Krishna, Ayi Nanda Tanuja. Oh Krishna, he is born out of the body of Nanda Maharaj. Just like the father is the body-giving person, seed-giving father. Similarly, Krishna, although he is the origin of everything, but still he is born by the seed of Nanda Maharaj. This is Krishna Lila. Ayi Nanda Tanuja patitang kinkarang mama bishame bhavam. Chaitanya Mahaprabhu never addressed Krishna, oh the Almighty. This is impersonal. He says, Ayi Nanda Tanuja, limited. Son of Nanda Maharaj. Son of Nanda Maharaj. So this is bhakti. He is unlimited. Just like Kunti Devi was surprised that when he thought that Krishna was afraid of Jasudamai, that stroke, you know. So she was surprised that Krishna is so exalted and great that everyone is afraid of him. But he has become afraid of Jasudamai. So this can be enjoyed by the devotees. Not the atheist class of men or non-devotees cannot understand. Therefore Krishna says, Bhaktavam avijana. Only the devotees. No others, they have no admission in this kingdom to understand. If you want to understand Krishna, it is only through bhakti. Neither knowledge, nor yoga, nor karma, nor jnana, nothing. Nothing will help you. Simply a devotee. And how to become devotee? How easy it is? See here, the Prahlad Maharaj. Innocent child, simply offering his obeisances, and Krishna is also asking you, Manmana bhava madbhakta, madhyaji manus. If you sincerely do these 4 items, always think of Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama. So this is thinking of Krishna, manmana. And you can stick to this principle of Hare Krishna mantra if you are unallied devotee. Without being unallied devotee, it is very difficult. It will be tiresome. But we shall practice. Abhyasa yoga yuktena.